Hello everybody, it is New Year's Day, January 1st, 2022. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel trend for the week ahead. We start off at a minor peak Sunday evening after the open at this high here on the green line. We're going to trade down into Monday at about 1800 hours. And then we're flat into the early morning and a little down dip until about 1500 on Tuesday afternoon. Then we start to trek back up. We're up into the evening. Then we level out relatively flat into Wednesday. And then we bottom out right about the close of the day session Wednesday. And then we're heading up for the rest of the week. You can see most of the week we're here between the 10 lines, mostly hovering back and forth around the 0 line through Wednesday. And then we're finally going to get some directional pressure on Thursday and Friday into the weekend. You can see we're finally going to break outside the 10 line here when we get to Friday afternoon. So flat to down Monday through Wednesday, upward pressure Thursday, Friday. Blue line spike peaks Monday 5 a.m. 1500. Tuesday one peak outside the 10 at 1400 hours. Wednesday kind of flat. Biggest peak is Wednesday at 1700 in a time frame we don't particularly care for. Not much happening there Thursday, both of those inside the 10s, and then we get a little bit of a spike here Friday at about 8 a.m. So that's it. We're kind of flatlining through Wednesday, then up into the rest of the week. We'll be back again, and then we'll take a look at these day by day as the action picks up this week. Now that we're through the holiday week. So that's it for today. We will be back again tomorrow with another video. We'll talk to you guys then.